guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ng scramble egg. Scramble egg. Yan guys, may green pa yan guys oh. Tingnan natin guys. Tingnan natin ha. Oh, yan ang scramble egg. The scramble egg guys. Yan, sarap-sarap yan guys. Tikman natin guys, tikman natin. Yan, panggatong ko guys, kahoy. Tikman natin guys. Ang scrambled egg ko, na umusok-usok. Usok-usok na yan. Yan. Tikman natin guys ha. Sarap guys. Kasarap. Kasarap ng scrambled egg ko guys. Na-fold ang scrambled